All right, you want something sweet, but you don't want the fat, calories, and sugar. Check this out. 2 cups frozen mango. Let me just take the top off. Any frozen fruit will work. Non-fat Greek yogurt, 1/3 of a cup. 1/4 teaspoon monk fruit or any sweetener of your choice. You don't even need the sweetener, but the monk fruit will not spike your blood sugar. Scoop of protein powder. High protein, low sugar. Blend it up. Check that out. Low calorie, low fat, low sugar, mango ice cream. Use this with any frozen fruit and enjoy.